how to create a business page on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a business page on Instagram. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. To get started, you'll need to create a new account. You can sign up using your business email address or your phone number. When it asks for your details, enter your business name in the full name section and choose a username that looks professional and matches your brand. Once that's done, tap on Next. Now set a strong password and confirm your email or phone number. Instagram will send you a verification code, so check your email or messages, enter the code, and tap Next. After that, you'll be asked to upload a profile picture. This is where you should add your business logo or a clean image that represents your brand. Once you upload it, tap Next again. At this point, your basic account is created, but we still need to turn it into a business account. So go to your profile, tap on the menu icon, the 3 lines at the top. From here, scroll down and tap on Account Type or Account. Now select Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will ask you to choose a category for your business. Pick the one that best fits what you do. After that, you'll see an option asking whether you want to display the About You section on your profile. Choose what works best for you and tap Done. When prompted, make sure you select Business and then tap Next. Next, Instagram will give you the option to connect your business account to a Facebook page. This is highly recommended because it helps with ads and marketing across both platforms. If you already have a Facebook page, connect it here. If not, you can skip this step and do it later. Finally, take a moment to complete your profile by adding a clear bio that explains what your business is about. Make it simple and easy to understand. Once that's done, your Instagram business account is ready to go. That's how you can create a business page on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.